Welcome to What Now, What Next, a marketplace for women business owners and entrepreneurs. Our free listings make it easier for you to promote and sell your products and services, connect with new customers, clients, and opportunities, and get found online. You can source all the products and services you need here in our marketplace too, whether you're looking for an accountant, a web designer, an interior designer, or a business coach. And if your organization is aiming to help women business owners launch and grow, our marketplace will raise your visibility with diverse women-owned small businesses all over the country. Our partnership with California Capital's Women's Business Center gives women located in Northern California direct access to business counselors, courses, and funding. No matter where you live, the first step is creating a free listing. As soon as you create a listing, it goes out in an email to all our members. Your business will be shared via our social media and our partner social media too. Getting started is easy. Click on the red Sign Up button on the top right of our homepage. Enter your email address and create a password. Verify you want to join by clicking the link in the email you receive, and then log in using your email address and password. Your inbox contains messages from anyone interested in knowing more about your products, services, or expertise. Here's where you'll find all the listings you create. Settings is where you can link to your PayPal account if you want to sell your products or services directly. And this is where you create your new profile. Creating a profile lets everyone know who you are. Add your name, business name, location, and a profile picture. You don't need a professional headshot. Any good photo will do. Write about yourself and what your company does. Now's the time to brag a bit. Once your profile is complete, create your listing. It only takes a few minutes, and this is how you get discovered. New listings are shared immediately across our whole network, so don't forget to create a listing. It only takes a few minutes. Here's how. Click on the red button that says Post a New Listing. Choose the broadest category that suits your business. For example, choose business products or services if you offer business services, or Living Well if you're in the health and wellness sector. If you're looking for support on a project or have an opportunity to share, choose projects, gigs, and opportunities. Next, choose a subcategory. For example, if you chose business products or services and you're an accountant, click financial services. Or if you specialize in SEO, choose marketing. Now choose your listing type. Do you have a product, service, offer, promotion, or giveaway? If you want to sell something directly, click on product listing. If you're not selling something directly, click on services, offers, promotions, or giveaways instead. Once you've made all these choices, it's time to write your listing. Choose a title. Make sure to write a detailed description of exactly what you're offering. The clearer and more compelling your description, the easier it will be for people to know why they want to do business with you. If you're in Northern California, click the box so your listing will show up in California Capital's channel. You'll have double exposure and double opportunities. Add your name, your business name, and your location. Then add a picture that shows off your product or service. Use the best images you have, but you don't need professional photographs. Click Submit, and you're done. Here are a few examples of listings and profiles for inspiration. Now that you know how easy it is to use our marketplace, take a few minutes to create your own listing so your business gets found more easily online. We can't wait to help you spread the word, connecting you with new customers, clients, opportunities, and the people who want to see your business succeed.